Good morning, guys. Thank you all for joining up this morning. It is going to be an awesome live stream, hopefully, today. We are seeing a lot of stocks across the board moving in a pretty good direction this morning. Whether I go and I look at NVIDIA, or I go look at Microsoft, or Apple, or just about anything like that, we're starting to pop back to the upside. And look at Apple right now, actually exploding all the way up to 131, breaking the pre-market high here on this first 1 minute candle. So let's go, guys. Amazing start to the week. Hopefully you guys all had a fantastic weekend. Thanks for joining up. Marty, Nathan, Bill, Krish, Keisha, Jamie, Corbin, Warren. Thank you all for being here. That is awesome. You guys are here quick this morning. Corbin said he made it. There you go, Corbin. That's awesome. Badass. But hey, it's awesome. You know, we're seeing the stocks start to really move to the upside in a big way, and it's continuing off of that amazing momentum from Friday. Like, look at that move on SPY from Friday. We were pretty much at a low of 378.50, got all the way up to 389. That was insane. Like a 10-point pop on the SPY. So we'll take that. Hopefully we continue to see a good movement like that again today. Now, there were a few stocks this morning I was worried about, like Target and Walmart and Costco. Those three I noticed were kind of overextended from last week. I remember Costco had that huge move up last Friday, and it was great. You know, big move up, kind of off of support, looking pretty good actually on the daily. But I'm just kind of waiting for that high of the day from Friday to break right around like 485 before I end up making a play on it. But other than that, I mean, these stocks had good momentum. They just seem a little bit overextended right now. But like AMD is moving up. NVIDIA has ran up this morning so far. So there we go. And let me know what stocks you guys are watching, and we can take a look at those. Pinterest comes out of the gate saying Pinterest is hot. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it is hot. $25. Take that. Let's see that daily chart. Whoa, Keisha, look at this on Pinterest. It's still moving off of this line. Like, how is this still bouncing off of this lower level, Keisha? I would have figured at some point here it would have broken this. Jeez, it just continues to hold this trend line. Just can't break it. This is an interesting setup, though. Are we going to, like, break down out of this trend line eventually? Or out of this wedge? Or are we going to start flying up? You know, it definitely seems like a good wedge. Hard to pick the direction, though. Let's see. We had on 12/15, or I should say on December 15th, somebody put $15 million into the 25 strike calls on Pinterest. Like, holy shit, guys. Someone put 15 million into those 25 strike calls. That is insane. Wow, guys. I haven't talked about that one in a while. Kind of forgot about it, but now that we have Pinterest up here, that is crazy to see that what they're talking about here. That really is crazy. Wow, 25 strike calls. Can't even believe I'm saying that right now. All right, Palantir. Got to get up above 650 for us. Looks like it's going to move up and then fake us. Move up and fake us out here. Let's go see Meta. I see that's popping up. Mike said it was popping in the chat. Hell yeah, Meta's moving. Guys, BBBY, which we talked about the other day, is actually leading my watch list now. That's funny. They must be volatile as hell right now. Up 20% plus, 22% right now. at the moment. That's insane. Coinbase, 5% to the upside. Tesla, guys, Tessie is up 6%. Well, I should say 5%. It's like jumping, but like 5% here. Wow. That's insane. These stocks are having some good moves. Let's go. Let's go. Let's find some good momentum to the upside, hopefully. It's kind of hard to get some day trades in on these things, though. It's hard to find the one exactly running. Timing this is tough because the move Friday was so extravagant. So explosive. Explosive. Sorry about that, guys. See the good old Energy Fuel. I don't know if you guys remember this one. Kind of moves with CCJ. These uranium stocks have been consolidating up here at the top for a while. Gonna have to see if we can get a continued move here. Mike was looking at CCJ last week a ton, and it ended up popping. Hopefully, it can keep breaking out here this week. Bill says Boeing moved down. Yeah, it is. It's actually selling back off. Wow. Dang it, Boeing. What's wrong with you today? What about CCL? What about DAL? Some of those airlines look okay, so maybe it's just a Boeing thing. Let's see if there's any news with Boeing. I know they always filled with news. Yep, there's something, of course, today. U.S. Federal Aviation Administration proposes to require aircraft in U.S. by February 2024 to be equipped to safely operate near 5G C-band wireless signals. So I guess like right now they can't use 5G C-band, or they can't fly through those zones because it like must mess with something in the aircraft. Interesting. I don't think that's moving Boeing today, but it's going to be big. And guys, let's check out the earnings season today, or coming up. That's going to be insane. I'll have to get up the earnings calendar here on the other screen for you. Hang on one second. Go. Got to get the Facebook. And then Earnings Whispers. That's where I get the Earnings Whispers charts from, guys. Just go to their Facebook. Or you can go to the Discord. I just can't put a link up in here for the Discord. We actually added a new earnings tab on the Discord, guys. Here, I'll show you that real quick. We added a new earnings tab over here on the left. If you guys want to check that out, it's pretty cool. They posted the earnings on Saturday morning. Perfect. Just like, just like they do every single Saturday on Twitter. So awesome to see there. That's really cool. I know people love playing earnings, and hopefully you guys enjoy that one. But let's get the earnings up here for today. Or for this week. So today we actually had Tilray report. I forgot about that this morning. Let's see. Oh no, Tilray. Tilray sinking down on us again. Darn, guys. That sucks. Tilray, $2.66. What's going on with you? Man, that's terrible to see. But Palantir looks good. I guess we can be happy about that one. All right, Palantir, I see ya. Doing better than most stocks here today. That's for sure. Whoa. Whoa, guys. We're about to break the high here today. We're like right there. Just can't break it. Come on, Palantir. I know it wants to, it just can't. It just can't. What about DraftKings? Okay. Not bad, Mr. DraftKings. Is Apple moving up? Let's see. Good old AAPL today. Yeah, looking good. I know it was moving up a lot at open, then kind of fell back off a little bit, but now it's looking a little bit better. Looking better now. That's good. That's good. That's good. Baba we have here. Chris says Baba's at 110. Wow, it was just about at that support. Dang, Krish. Yeah, watch out for Baba. The Disney rejected at 95 DIS. Dang, Disney. I want to see Disney on that daily, though, real quick. Let's see. On the daily, it still looks pretty good. Just intraday today. Intel, though. Keisha's throwing out Intel, one of our favorites. There we go. There we go, Intel. Let's go. I love Intel, guys. For the long term, I think buying this one will be great. Should be great. I know a lot of you guys don't like Intel because a lot of people like AMD a lot better. And I understand, I get it. Everybody likes their own stocks, but what I will say about the Intel to AMD situation is Intel they've been around for so long. And here, we'll actually go to the stocked up dashboard really quick. This will be a good comparison here. Good comparison. Here we go. So let's go to Intel real quick. Intel. Their net profit margins, 19.13%. Price to sales, 1.7. You look at their revenue here in the blue. Let's go to a yearly one, though. Annual revenue. Here we go. You can see annually how they've been going up and up and up, looking pretty good, nice and steady. Price to sales, good. All that stuff looking fantastic. You can see their free cash flows kind of been going down a little bit, but that is what it is. Let's go look at AMD, though. So AMD's growing a lot more at the revenue, but look, this is $16.4 billion in revenue. Let's go look at Intel again. This is $79 billion. So look at that. Intel does $79 billion in revenue a year, and AMD only does $16 billion. Now, AMD's growing, but I just want to point that out. Nathan says, Tom, should I exit the Apple position? Yeah, Nathan, I exited that last week, actually. So, yeah, you should. I think I even messaged you about it, didn't I? If I see that in the messages, Nathan, I'm not going to be happy. Oh, no, I'm kidding. I didn't tell you, I don't think. Oh, yeah, I did. I said I closed them out. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I closed them out. Damn, that's too bad. I still feel like it's gonna fall further, just maybe not at the moment. The market's always up, down, up, down, up, down. I bet you, though, we'll get some red and come back in soon, Nathan. By January 20th at this point, I don't know. That's why I got rid of my options. When I did down at, semi-low. When was that day? The 5th I got rid of it? Yeah, the 5th. I got rid of mine on the 5th. Good old Palantir. Corner says I have square puts. Square 67 puts to be more specific. For Friday, any chance? Let's see. I like the idea, Cornish, but I'm not sure I like the play this time. Square had a lot of momentum last week. Sean, it's kind of hard to go against Square on this one. I don't know. It looks like it's up quite a bit, consolidating right at that 68.50 support. Oh, it's kind of a tough one here today, Cornish. Kind of a tough one, to be honest. I like it though. What I really like Cornish the most about it, and why I say I like it like that, is that $70 resistance seems to be pretty big there. Like that wick this morning that touched it was like spot on. Like on the 1 minute, you can tell like it just hit right on 70 and fell. So like what I'm thinking, Cornish, is maybe as Square starts to move back up this morning, it might start to come up, touch around 70, and then start to maybe, dip back off to the downside a little bit. I could kind of see something like that going on. But if it breaks out above 70, I'd start to get really worried, Cornish. I would get worried, and I would already be worried considering we're seeing a lot of growth stocks move back up today. We're seeing lots of growth move up. Even DraftKings is moving up. Even DraftKings, guys. Can you believe that? Can't even believe it. DraftKings moving. How does that happen? How is this possible, guys? This can't be. Sean says it was a bit of a gamble. Yep. I feel you there, Sean. Hopefully it hits 70. It does look I feel like 70 looks pretty good though, to hold up possibly. Hey, and if you guys have not liked the stream yet this morning, please smash that like button if you guys are enjoying the stream. That'll help us out tremendously. And let's go ahead and get into some of these big events coming up this week. I'm going to go ahead and create a poll here. Start a poll for the CPI data coming up. I'm going to go ahead and make a poll. We're going to run up or down into the event. Run up or run down into the event. Okay. Run up. Run down. Chop. All right, here we go, guys. Releasing the poll here for you. If you guys are enjoying the stream, smash that like. And also, don't forget to vote in the poll. That'll be awesome for us here. And guys, do not forget to join the Discord. We have the new Sniper bot, and it just released a new free play, guys. New free play just came out. It releases 1 play per day for free members of the Discord, and then anywhere between like 2 to 4 other plays for the premium section. Just depends on, what type of stuff it's finding. But there's 1 free play posted per day. I posted up the link for you guys. You guys should go check it out. I think you guys would seriously appreciate, the Sniper bot there. That plus the free day trades, pretty cool. Then you also get access to the free community and everything like that. So check it out if you guys haven't yet. But the free Sniper bot play just came out. Looks like it was on Amazon, so that's very interesting there. Amazon's starting to rip to the upside, so good to see, good to see. But we do have that big CPI data event coming out on Thursday, so check that out, guys. And let me know in the poll how you guys think that that's going to end up playing out. That event Thursday is going to be very, very influential, very important, not just for stocks, but for the Federal Reserve. It could possibly sway a lot of their thinking, depending on how these numbers end up coming out. But let's go back to that calendar for a second. So looking at the inflation rate here, it's at 7.1% right now. You can tell on the chart it's been falling back off, which is fantastic. But look at the consensus in the forecast. So they're looking for this thing to drop down anywhere from like 0.6% to 0.4%. It looks like they're looking for at least a 0.4% drop on this inflation rate. So that's going to be awesome, actually, if we could see that inflation rate come down that much again. Maybe if we get down to like at least 6.6%, I think that would be fantastic. But anywhere around 6.5 to 6.7 should end up being okay for the stock market. But we'll have to see, you know, if this inflation rate comes in a little bit higher this time, not going to be good. And I'm wondering if maybe like holiday spending or something like that might push it a little bit higher. I'm curious if it will or not. You know, I'm kind of curious, but it's I think it'll be cool though. Chop like the Wolf of Wall Street. I like how that's got 40%. Have you guys ever seen that scene? That scene is awesome. Well, actually, I'll tell you what, we'll go ahead and watch the scene. Wolf of Wall Street chop scene. Wolf of Wall Street chop. Here it is. Here it is. We gotta watch it now, right? Now that I brought it up. Gotta watch it now.
Yeah, I mean, if we take it slow.
Yeah, we're gonna take it slow. We're gonna take it a little uncomfortable. Tell them it's safe. It's gonna be
safe because we'll batten down the hatches and secure the deck, and we're looking at a few.
Yeah, babe, look.
Monaco?
Yes.
Now?
Yes, babe, we're going to Monaco, so then we can go to Switzerland, okay?
But her aunt just died.
I realize that, but I have business in Switzerland. I need to go to Switzerland right now. Bottom line. Sorry, be business here.
We gotta get to London.
Why? Why?
The funeral?
Yeah, babe, look. I loved your aunt more than anyone in the entire world. I really did. But she's dead now, sweetie. She's dead, and she's not going anywhere. She'll still be dead by the time we get to London, okay? Captain Ted, all right, look, we're going to Monaco now, okay?
Monaco, right.
We're going to Monaco so then we can drive to Switzerland so they don't stamp our passports, take care of business here. We'll drive back to Monaco, take a flight over to London to catch the funeral, be in New York in 3 fucking business days. That's the fucking plan.
I want to let you know there, we might run into some chop.
Chop? We could fucking handle chop, right? I mean, it's a 170-foot yacht.
No. We're not going anywhere unless he says it's safe, all right?
It's safe.
Don't worry about
It's
the
safe.
chop. You don't know shit about chop.
Oh, really? And you do? You're a fucking expert on
I'll chop your fucking credit card in half. How about that?
Chop.
Oh man, that was the scene right there, baby. I'll chop your credit card in half. Oh, gotta love it, guys. Gotta love that. Of course, YouTube's like, oh, you're playing copyrighted stuff. How is it that I'm playing copyrighted stuff? How does this guy with 7,000 subscribers, how is he able to post it? And then you're getting mad at me for copyright? Like, YouTube, can you, like, fix your shit, please? Like, please? Like, I don't understand that, but okay. Apparently, I'm getting copyrighted, you know, getting in trouble for copyright. Hey, guys, smash the like button. You know, we gotta go out with a bang if they're gonna get us in trouble, right? Oh, help us out. Smash the like. What do you know about Chop? That's right. Exactly. Let's fucking go, Amazon. Let's go, baby. SniperBot knows about Chop, I'll tell you that. Let's go. Let's go. That's awesome, though. For real. Love it. I love it. Boom. 3.41 already. Released at 3.08. Let's go. It's already popping up a little bit. Hopefully we keep ripping up here. Nice move. Let's go back to the SPY. Maybe go to Meta real quick. Check around. Go to Boeing. Maybe ZOM. Let's check some energy stocks. Like ZOM, Oxy maybe. Oxy looks good. Don't know why ZOM is the total opposite. Down in the dumps. Oxy looks fantastic though. Actually looks great. Oxy looks great, guys. It looks fucking great. Breaking out above 65? Like, what the hell? There we go, Oxy. We'll take it, Oxy. I like it. I like it. Hey, I even tried to put up some little stuff on the screen to try to mess up their system so it wouldn't find it, but I think they still found it, obviously. They still found it. With the copyright. YouTube has chop. Yeah, it does. I can't believe it, guys. Like, how are they able? This guy's able to post the whole scene. The whole entire scene is posted onto YouTube for everybody to watch. But then if I play the scene that's posted publicly, I'm in trouble. Like, are you serious? Like, I'm so lost. Maybe it literally says a movie clip in the scene or in the title. Like, how do you not get in trouble for that? Like, shouldn't their bots be like, oh yeah, by the way, this is not right. Viva says, I don't understand the sniper bot's calls. When it was posted, it was already in the money. Yeah, Viva, I mean, in the money options have a way higher percentage chance of playing out than out of the money options do. So it's going to call out probably more of like in the money options. Maybe that'll actually help a lot of people understand. You know, a lot of people get confused about in the money. Like, you can still play things that are in the money. It's not like you have to sell as soon as it gets in the money. You know what I mean? Like, being in the money doesn't mean really anything. It just means that, well, I shouldn't say that. It means something. But it doesn't mean... Okay, so Fiva says, I haven't learned to buy in the money without losing. Well, Fiva, that sounds whack. I'm not gonna lie. Like, anytime that you buy an option out of the money that wins, the in the money option won too. You know what I'm saying? Like, just those other strikes probably moved up too. Maybe not, maybe they didn't go up 100%, but they might have cost a little bit more. So 30% on a $300 option would be 30 bucks, right? Like, or we'll say 10% on a $300 option will be 30 bucks. We'll just say that 10% on 300, 30 bucks, easy. Now, if you make 10% off of an option that's only 100 bucks, you're only making 10 bucks. But you might make 20 or 30% on those lower priced ones because they move up a little bit more. But Viva in the money is perfectly normal. It's like what you're saying about how you said you haven't learned to buy in the money without losing. I'm not sure you've tried enough in the money options then, because if you've done it for a long enough time, like, in the money works out way better than out of the money. Like, way better. Especially if you're buying the option. You know, if you're selling the option, you might not really want it in the money too often. But like if you're selling a put, for example. But being in the money isn't really going to have too much of like an implication other than it's going to be a lot safer, and during a drawback, it's not going to draw back, you know, a ton, if that makes sense. All right, let's go ahead and check out good old DraftKings here real quick. DKNG up to 12.15. Looking good. Zoom looking good. $70.50. Look at that pop to the upside. There we go. ZM. Look at that pop up today, though. That is fantastic. That is awesome. Look at Kraft Heinz falling off for us. Fuck. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I figured I'd say it, though. Oh, PayPal. See if I could throw anybody off with that if they were watching. That'd be funny. Probably threw them off. Amazon did pretty good, though, at first, honestly. It popped up like 10% in only 5 minutes. Look at that baby go now. Look at it go. Boom. So even though this was in the money, it already is up to 3.46. It's up over 10%, which is good. SPY, here we go, moving up. Up above 391.60. Come on, keep going, baby. Keep getting these big breakouts coming in. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. It's all good, Fiva. No problem, man. Oh, you've never bought in the money. I see. I see. It's okay, Fiva. I mean, it's all good. You know, being in the money's fantastic. It's a good thing. You know, for scalps, you know, you can scalp out of the money options. It just keep this in mind. Like, out of the money options, the longer you hold them, it just becomes worse and worse and worse unless it's just flying 100% in your direction. So sometimes for scalps, out of the money can be great, Fiva. It really can, but in the money is going to be a little bit safer, though, still. A little bit safer still. Spy QQQ moving up here. Nice. AMZN. Okay, looking good. Let's go see good old Tesla. Are we at like a big support here? Big resistance? Wow, 123 seems pretty big. 123 seems crazy, guys. Here, I'm going to add a alert box here. Ah, this is cool. Got the alert box, okay. It's got like a little dinosaur. That's funny. Wow, that spy looks fantastic, though. Let's go. Let's go, spy. That's actually cool to see spy moving this way. Moving in a really good way. Okay. Looking good on that spy. Keep going. What about my favorite drink here? MNST. I might have to go grab one of these in a minute, guys. I have to go grab a monster here. MNST. There we go. Kind of not really doing much. Tessie's not bad, though. I mean, I'll take Tessie any day of the week. Any day. Look at Chewy, Keisha says. Chewy. Whoa! Keisha, this thing's gapping up too much today. It's hard to trade. Look at that 1 minute candles. Or look at the 1 minute candles. That's insane. Just big jumps all over the place. Huh. Warren's asking me if I think Tesla will get over 120. You know, I do. Hang on. Do you mean back to the downside, Warren? Or were you asking that earlier? Couldn't ask that there too long ago. Maybe you meant 130. If we could break out here above 125, that would be great. Warren, honestly, 125 seems like a huge resistance on good old Tessie, so watch out at 125. I think that'll be a big level, you know, to keep on the radar. 125, though, not a bad area. Definitely not bad. There we go, though. How's Amazon? Are we coming back down now? Yep. Looks like it popped up a little bit, got to that high up there, coming back off. I would have been taking some profits up here. Hopefully you guys are cutting the sniper bot play. You know, looks like a pretty big resistance up there. Pretty big. Man. Pretty big little pullback going on, though. I don't like to see that. We're probably going to go into a big chop zone now. Big chop zone. Big chop fest, I guess we could say. See if we can get some music going here. I keep seeing these other streamers play music. Like, how do they get away with this stuff? Maybe I'll just do, like, non-copyright. Well, let me go to YouTube and do it. With my luck, I'm going to find non-copyrighted stuff, and YouTube's going to say, oh, you're copywriting. I'm going to be like, what? Oh, I don't even know if you guys would like this type of music. Here we go. Tavern/in music. What? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about this. I don't know. I think we're gonna have to go to turn the music, leave the music off or something. It's not worth it, guys. It's not worth it. Yeah, they missed on delivery numbers. I know, I remember that. That was insane. Tesla earnings sometime in this month. Let's see. There we go. 5 days after my birthday. There we go. Oh, my birthday's on a Friday this year? Darn it. Dang. It's on a Friday. I guess that's good. I don't know. Don't matter to me when it is. I suppose. Oh yeah, Warren meant 130 on Tesla earlier. Yeah, 130 I think is possible. We gotta get above 125 though. That's gonna be the first big thing I'm watching. 125 is gonna be huge. Huge. And they missed delivery numbers? Yeah. That's gonna be bad, Keisha. The thing is, Keisha, is it gonna be priced in? That's the question I have. Maybe those delivery numbers down will be priced in already. Maybe. Maybe, but probably not. That's probably how it's going to be. Marty says, good Green Day today. Yes, it is, Marty. Awesome. fantastic green day. I hope everybody's having a good morning so far. There's been a lot of opportunity to the upside this morning in a lot of different ways, so not bad. All right, though. Come on, Spy. Can we break that high of day again? Come on. We're so close. So close, yet so far away. What's going to happen? All right, guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to go grab my my monster really quick. I'll be right back. Just give me 1 sec. I'll put some music up here for you. Hopefully no one gets pissed off by it. I don't know what the hell to put on. It's just non-copyrighted music, so I don't really know what it's going to be playing, to be honest.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Whoa. All right, guys, sorry about that. I didn't realize that music. I didn't know how that music would be, but I am back. My monster is actually gone. It's not even here anymore, guys. There is no more monster. Drank them all. Sucks to see. Went in the fridge and I was like, oh no, not this again. It is what it is, though. Shouldn't be too bad. Amazon's doing great. The guy said he feels good about his puts. That's funny. All right, Amazon, come on. Amazon's starting to fall off now a little bit more, kind of as expected, you know. Got a little bit too overextended intraday. A little bit overextended. Not bad. Okay. Good old Spy, Palantir. Kellogg's. Find some good movement here this morning. Maybe some Google. Going to look at the watch list here. Wow, guys, that BBBY ended up going up 35%. I can't believe that. Like 35%. What in the world? Almost can't even believe that. That is an insane number. Wow. 35%. Who would have thought? Bed Bath & Beyond. I know a lot of people were loving this stock a little while ago. Maybe it'll start to go a little crazy now that they've had these talks of bankruptcy possibilities and stuff like that. Look at ChargePoint today, though. What has gotten into this one? That 1 minute chart was seriously crazy to see. That is a crazy 1 minute chart this morning on ChargePoint. Wow. Slowly but surely, ChargePoint's just rocketed up to 10%. Like some very nice, solid pushes to the upside. Even AI is up? Are you kidding me? Ah. Thank God Meta's moving again. 130, 158 now. Not too bad. Wow, I like that one. Quite a bit. Oh, QQQ. Find that solid Momo here. Go see what the bot has flinging out here for us. Has AMD calls at the moment. Nice, okay. AMD calls, Delta Airline calls, Intel calls are on the bot. There we go. Even Play. I remember Keisha talking about Play the other week. PLAY. I like that one. Exxon, what happened with them? Sean, I think that Citigroup's fantastic. That is Mike's favorite bank play. That's Mike's favorite bank play. Personally, with banks, I don't know. Banks are a tough one. I like Citigroup because of their dividend the most. Just big banks. They've been doing a little bit better recently, as we talked about in last night's YouTube video quite a bit. They've been doing a lot better recently with interest rates being higher. You know, they're making more money, obviously. And that looks like they did well, like bond trading the last month or the last report. At least Bank of America and JP Morgan did. I'm hoping that Citigroup and these other banks can start to just continue to move up because they've been solid the past couple months. We just need these good reports to continue to come in. And I think that this Friday we'll start to see exactly where that lies. Maybe not with Citigroup. Doesn't Citigroup report this Friday? Yeah. Man, TradingView needs to change their stuff. Look at this. They have Citigroup reporting on Friday, January 13th. Friday the 13th? Oh, shit. Watch out next Friday, guys. Or this Friday, I mean. It's going to be a crazy Friday. Better watch out. Better watch out. And then the next Friday is my birthday. There we go. Got some stuff to do there. Sean says, sold Square calls plus 70, and here she comes back down. No! Wait. You sold square calls plus 70. And here she comes down. Isn't that a good thing, Cornish? Isn't that a good thing? You sold the calls and this. Yeah, you did good, right, Cornish? That's a good play, right? That's almost perfect, Sean. You sold up at the top and then it fell back. There you go. Good old SPY, though. Trying to break out, honestly. Trying to break out. The banks are trying to break out, too. JP Morgan's trying to run up today. Citigroup looks pretty good today as well. Oh, he sold square puts. Oh, that's right, Sean. Those 67 puts. That's right. That's right. Damn. I see what you're saying. Kind of faked out. Sorry, I got confused. Man, Square on the daily just looks pretty bullish to me. I feel like Square on the daily chart looks so good. Hoping to get some bigger moves up here sometime soon. Ooh, we need them. We need him, that's for sure. See the big runners here again on the bot. It's still calling out AMD, guys. AMD is still looking like the play here. AMD. Google, Meta. Man, Meta was doing so good a few minutes ago, guys. What the hell happened? Who caused this? Keisha, did you do something to Meta? What did you do? What did you do? Sean says, that'll teach me to pick my own plays. Oh, shit. Sorry, Sean. That was funny. You're alright, Sean. You're alright. You'll do good. You'll be fine. Yeah, talking about Meta in the Discord here.